Hello and welcome to day 11 of Vlogust. It's kind of a rainy day here today. I don't know if you can see out the door behind me if it's all just blown out with white. But I guess you can't see, but the ground's wet. And it's kind of making me feel a little lazy today. So I'm gonna make some breakfast and I'm not sure what we're gonna do for dinner. I don't want to default to, oh, I'm being lazy and it's the weekend and I think I'm going to order something. So I'll try to just find something simple to make and we'll see how the day goes. So come along. Today for breakfast, just feel like having some scrambled eggs and toast. Eggs are in the frying pan and I don't have any bread right now. So I have toaster naan in the toaster. It doesn't quite fit, sticks up a little bit. So here's breakfast, some scrambled eggs on some mini naan, half of a banana sliced up with some blueberries, and I'm using my new cute little napkin that I bought at the dollar store yesterday. I think that's so cute. Having coffee from my new cup that I got from the dollar store yesterday because I really like the color. Isn't it pretty? Cheers. Well, as you can see, we're caught in the rain as we're trying to go shopping. We're headed to the supermarket. I had to throw a sweatshirt on because it's actually refreshingly chilly, but very rainy. Yikes! Wish it would slow down so I can get out of the car. Getting some nice hoagie rolls. I want to make my salsa again, but I'm going to try it with the fire roasted tomatoes and see if that makes any difference in flavor. On rainy days, I like to light candles just to lighten the mood a little bit in the house. This one's called Tranquility. Can't see the pretty color. Can you see how dark it is in here? We're having another thunderstorm. It looks like nighttime. So tonight we're making tuna hoagie. So I mixed up some tuna here that was in olive oil. Just mix it with some mayonnaise. I'm keeping it plain because we're going to decorate it on the actual sandwich. So we have these hoagie rolls, and then you put the tuna down, and then you put on some lettuce, some tomato, and some onion. And then you just salt, oregano, and a little olive oil, and you're done. And when you're making sandwiches on this kind of roll, this torpedo kind of roll, you want to chunk up the tomato because if you do it in slices, it's really more for like a flat sandwich and it just doesn't work. So chunking it up like this works best. These potatoes are just covered in olive oil and some salt, and they're going to go in a 400-degree oven until they're soft. joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's food. I tried to keep it as simple as possible for a lazy Saturday. At least I'm having a lazy Saturday. Join me tomorrow and we'll see what else we get up to. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to know exactly what time the videos go live. Bye.